Toilet tanks looking all nasty and crusty from hard water stains is a total headache, but way more common than you'd think. So first off, if your toilet tank has that weird buildup or discoloration, it's probably from hard water deposits. You can clean it by filling the tank with white vinegar and letting it sit for a few hours. Vinegar's killer at breaking down mineral buildup without harsh chemicals. After that, just scrub gently with a toilet brush or a soft sponge, but don't use anything too abrasive because you don't want to damage the tank. If vinegar alone doesn't cut it, try mixing baking soda with vinegar for some extra scrubbing power. Also, consider installing a water softener if hard water is messing with more than just your toilet. It helps reduce minerals in all your plumbing fixtures. Another quick tip is to clean your tank every few months so the buildup doesn't get out of control. And hey, if your toilet's pretty old and always causing trouble, replacing it might actually save you money and headaches in the long run. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet tanks is ignoring hard water stains until they become super stubborn. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding that crusty mess. Another common issue is using harsh cleaning products that can erode the tank or its components, which just leads to leaks or breaks down the line. Stick with gentle stuff like vinegar instead. Lastly, many don't realize that an old, inefficient toilet wastes water and flush power, so upgrading to a newer model can seriously improve performance and lower water bills. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress. It also helps contractors connect with real customers looking for reliable help on their home projects.